All right, everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Today, I'm going to give you guys an update on the tool wall. And if you haven't seen it for a while, I haven't been doing actual professional videos recently. Just been doing little videos on my phone. So anyways, here is the updated tool list. I got if you haven't seen, I got the Daniel Brunette. I wasn't sure if it was Burnett or Brunette. So anyways, got the Daniel Brunette. 1 out of 100 linemen's right there, support his family. So that's one of the newer tools. You guys have already seen that a while ago. I did get the second screwdriver right there, the Phillips screwdriver. Got that a while ago. You guys have seen that probably. Anyways, other than that, I don't have too much else that's too new. I did put on my second glow-in-the-dark screwdrivers right here because I didn't want them to get stolen at work, because I'm leaving my tools at work right now on an actual job site, not at the prefab, because I'm not doing prefab right now. Otherwise, I would just use those. Anyways, so I got my glow-in-the-dark set out there. I took out my, whatever that's called, the 10-in-1 or whatever, the, what is that called? The the multi-socket set right there. I took that out, and I'm using the 7-in-1 flip impact socket at work. And I'm using also the foldable jab saw at work. And then this little stubby is pretty new. I don't know if you guys have seen that. I haven't really talked about it. My girlfriend got me that, so that's awesome. And then moving on, I took out the rest of my glow-in-the-dark set because I like them and I don't want them to get stolen. So I replaced my strippers at work with one of these. And then my needle nose with yellow, my old yellow set, my diagonal cutters with my new 9-inch yellow set, like this, 1 inch taller and yellow. And then my linemen's, I took those to work with the purple handles as well. Other than that, I did get the blue hammer. I think I did talk about that in one video, but I got that hanging on the wall. I did put the magnet back on the wall. We got another glow-in-the-dark right there. I brought my 10-inch crescent wrench back. Took out my little voltage meter, not the voltage meter, but the volt alert or whatever you want to call it, little stupid idiot stick, death trap. So I took that out. And I still need to try the knee pads. Other than that, I did take out my tester because I got a tester at work now, and I also got another tester over there at work as well. I did take my BX strippers to work. Otherwise, I probably would have taken this because I think the MC strippers that work like this style are garbage. But other than that, I got the little baby right there. Those, maybe you guys haven't seen that, but I did rearrange the board a little bit, but you guys have seen most of this stuff. And other than that, yeah. I do want to do an EMT video soon in the garage, so stay tuned for that. Probably live stream that. Doing a piping video in the garage, which will be really fun. So hopefully you guys will tune in to that. I got my fish sticks. Other than that, not too much else. I think that pretty much covers all of it. So yeah, I don't think I see anything else. But anyways, that's what the tool wall looks like right now. Oh, and I did also get I got a few more of these to keep around the house. I got 3 more of these, so 2 more for the house. And then lastly, the keychains right here, the little things for holding your bits. And then I got the little Klein lineman bag right here for Master Chief. And that pretty much wraps it up, guys. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully this was a little fun video to watch for you guys. Other than that, hopefully you guys are having a great weekend. I will see you guys in the next video. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.